Hello, brilliant learners! Today, we're talking about phrases that sound super rude in English, but actually aren't. Let's break it down together so you don't accidentally freak out or offend someone by mistake. I don't care. Sounds like you're about to crush someone's soul, right? Well, sometimes it does sound brutal, and sometimes it's totally harmless. It all depends on how and when you say it. When it's rude. If someone's sharing their feelings and you hit them with, I don't care, it's cold. Like, I'm really stressed about work. I don't care. Ouch. That stings. When it's not rude. If you're talking casually, like picking dinner or movies, it just means I'm good with anything. Pizza or burgers. I don't care. Both sound good. I'm smiling. I don't care. Tone is everything. Okay, next one. You killed it. If you killed it, you did something crazy good, like you nailed it. You nailed it. Wow, you killed it with that outfit. You killed it at your presentation. If someone says you're killing it, it means you're consistently doing great right now. You're killing it at the gym. You're killing it with your side hustle. If they say you're killing me, it's either they're laughing so hard they can't breathe, ha ha ha, you're killing me, or they're annoyed. You're killing me with these questions. Again, listen to the vibe. Whatever. This one's tricky because it can sound the same, but the meaning totally changes depending on the tone you use. Let's break it down. Friendly tone. When you say whatever in a friendly or relaxed way, you're saying, I'm easygoing. I'm good with whatever you want. You're showing that you don't mind which option is chosen and you're cool with going along with whatever your friend decides. Which movie should we watch? Whatever, it's up to you. When you say whatever with an eye roll or in a sarcastic tone, it shows disinterest or even frustration. You're basically saying, I don't care about you or your opinion. It's a way of brushing off the situation and making it clear you're not happy about it. You forgot my birthday. Whatever. Ouch. That's a lot different, right? In this case, the word whatever feels like you're dismissing the other person's feelings and showing indifference. Who died? Sounds like you're asking about an actual death. But in English, it's usually a joking way to ask, why do you look so sad? Or what happened to make you so miserable? It's a light-hearted, playful way to address someone who's upset. Your friend is sitting on the couch with a frown after a bad day. And you say, who died? Come on, what's going on? They laugh and start talking about their day. Maybe don't use it at an actual funeral. Just a thought. Break a leg. This sounds like you're wishing someone bad luck or telling them to get hurt, but it's actually a way to say good luck, especially when someone's about to perform or do something big. It's one of those weird phrases that's positive even though it sounds negative. The phrase has some cool history behind it. Some say it started in theater because wishing someone good luck was considered bad luck. So people used break a leg to trick fate into giving them a good show. It's all about wishing success. Your friend is heading out for an interview, looking a bit nervous. And you're like, you've got this, break a leg out there. You're wishing them success, not telling them to break their leg. Break a leg. Good luck. What's your problem? Sounds rude, like you're confronting someone, but it can also just mean what's going on or what's wrong. You look upset. What's your problem? In this case, it's a way of asking someone why they're upset. Are you serious? This can sound like you're doubting someone, like you're asking, are you really being serious right now? But in reality, it's often just a way to express shock or amazement. You're saying, I can't believe that, or wow, that's amazing, when something unexpected or impressive happens. I passed my driving test on the first try. Are you serious? You're a natural. You're amazed by their achievement, not questioning how they did it. Shut up! Normally, this phrase can be really rude, like you're telling someone to be quiet or stop talking. But in informal, friendly situations, people use it in a playful way to express surprise or disbelief. It's not about being mean, it's about showing how shocked or amazed you are. I won the lottery. You're like, shut up! No way! You're expressing surprise, not telling them to be quiet. Use it with people you know well and when you're genuinely surprised or excited. Just be mindful of the tone and situation. No offense, but. This phrase often sounds like you're about to say something harsh or critical, but it's actually used to soften what's about to come out of your mouth. People say it when they want to give constructive criticism or share an opinion without coming off as too blunt or rude. It's like a little warning before you say something that might hurt someone's feelings. Do you like my outfit? No offense, but I think the colors clash a little. You're being honest, but you don't want to sound too harsh. Mind your own business. This phrase can sound pretty rude, like you're telling someone to stay out of your personal matters or stop being nosy. But it can also be used in a more polite way, especially if you're just telling someone that they don't need to get involved in something that doesn't concern them. I don't think you should buy that expensive jacket. Mind your own business. I know what I'm doing. You're asserting your choice, not trying to be mean, just letting them know it's your decision. If the situation is serious, be careful as it can definitely come across as rude. Now, here's the thing. It's not just the words. It's the tone, the situation, and even your body language. English has all kinds of phrases that sound shady, but aren't. Tell me in the comments if you've ever misunderstood someone's tone or accidentally sounded rude yourself. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.